Guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you about this new Nerf Rival Mercury from the Nerf company. The Nerf company is a very good company and it makes very cool guns. So let us move on. The bullets. The bullets in this gun are the rival bullets because the Nerf elite bullets cannot be put in this gun because they are cylindrical in shape. And these rival bullets are of a hockey ball shape. So let us move on to back view. The back view is a good view because the gun is also good and the company is also good. So let us check. This is the portion for reloading our gun, and this is the trigger, and this red type of thing shows us that we have reloaded it or not. So this gun is of black and yellow color. So let us move on to the front view. The front view is also a good view, so let us check it. This is the portion for the bullets to come out. Like when we reload it and then shoot it, the bullets will come out from here. And this is the portion for aiming, and nothing else, anything special in this gun. So let us check how much price it is. So let me write Nerf Rival Mercury. Yeah, here it is. Let me see. Oh, let us check. Oh, we reloaded it from here. Oh, I thought something else. So it is not. The actual rate is not $54 because with this gun they are showing us that they will give us this board for hitting and the extra bullets, 30 rounds rival bullets. So we don't need so many bullets, we just wanted the price of the gun. So I think it would be of $20 because this is not of too costly bullets. So if you want to buy this gun, buy this gun. I don't think that this gun is good, but please buy this gun because it is small, and with these guns we get the bullet extra 30 rounds of rival bullets and the board for hitting the bullets. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.